Want to stay updated with the latest in crypto, blockchain, and finance? Stick around as we explore a platform that is your go to with everything crypto. Not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of BeInCrypto. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is the leading platform that is dedicated to delivering that timely and reliable news and insights in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, because you want to make sure that you are updated with any news or anything that is happening in the cryptocurrency market. That way, you would be able to adjust and make your next move in terms of trading, in terms of looking for projects and all that. Now, by providing up-to-the-minute updates, in-depth articles, and expert market analysis, BeInCrypto is making sure that the audience that are always checking out their website is always up to date with the latest and greatest news in the cryptocurrency market. So the platform is covering a wide range of topics, which also includes the regulatory changes, the market movements, the technological advancements, and this one offers a comprehensive view of the cryptocurrency landscape. Now, in addition to that, in addition to the news coverage that it's giving us, BeInCrypto is offering an array of educational resources that is tailored to both the beginners and the seasoned investor. So, from the beginner-friendly guides on the blockchain fundamentals to the advanced tutorials on trading strategies, technical analysis, and asset security, the readers would be able to find everything that they need to navigate the crypto ecosystem confidently and efficiently. So now, articles also delve into both fundamental and technical analysis, which helps the users or the traders, especially the newbies, guys, to deepen their understanding of the market dynamics. So BeInCrypto also provides real-time market data for numerous cryptocurrencies, along with the detailed charts and trend analysis to support informed decision making. Because again, guys, if you are new in cryptocurrency, you have to make sure that you know how to do technical analysis. That way you could increase the profitability of your trades and not just, shoot from the hip and then invest on this token without even knowing what's going to happen next, right? You didn't check out the charts. You don't know how to do that technical analysis. Instead of you earning or profiting from your trades, you are going to get bankrupt. Okay, so users would also be able to benefit from an extensive toolkit that they have, which also includes the portfolio trackers, the mining and conversion calculators, and the customizable alerts that you would be able to enjoy when you check them out. So, guys, beyond the written content, BeInCrypto extends its reach through the podcast that features expert interviews and thorough active engagements on the social media platform. Also, guys, fostering community discussions and insights are also available. And what I like most about BeInCrypto is that they also have strategic partnerships with leading cryptocurrency companies and influencers that further enhance its credibility. So, with the robust mix of content, tools, and community interactions, guys. So, guys, BeInCrypto is a trusted hub for anyone that is involved in the cryptocurrency space. You can go ahead and check out these videos as well. That those will be very, very helpful in terms of you getting to know more. What are the things that's happening and what are the things that I would be able to expect with the market, with the cryptocurrency market today, and the forecast for the next coming days. You can go ahead and check that one out. And of course, this is a very, very good website that you could go to, so you could include this on your own research before starting to invest in the tokens that you will be investing. So guys, make sure to also follow all the social media platforms. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything, and basically anything about the project, you will always be informed. So it is actually at the bottom of their page. It's right behind my face cam right here. Okay, go ahead and check them out. This is their X account, guys. So make sure to follow them here in their X account as well, because they always, they're consistent with all their tweets, with all the happenings in the cryptocurrency market today. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell that will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.